Hello everyone, Hector Mendoza. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install this nice administrative tools. It's called PowerToys. This is from Microsoft. It's been around for a while. I can't believe I didn't know about it. I started using it about a week ago, and it is nice. But watch my videos. I'll show you how to install it. So then just hopefully subscribe to me, and I'm going to explain what every one of these tools. If you do what I do, you're a graphics artist, you're an adjuster, you're a drone operator, and I'm all of those. You definitely want to get these tools. So let's get started. Alright, so to download and install PowerToys, all you do is go to Microsoft.com. There's a search engine right here. This is the easiest way. So yours might not have that. So just go to search and then put PowerToys and hit enter. And the first one should be the install, but what you're looking for is Microsoft PowerToys download and install. So click here. You'll get to this dialog box. In my case, I'm using English. I'm going to click on download, and in a minute, you see right there, you'll see this dialog. If you see that arrow, that means it's been downloaded there. So if you click here and double click here, then it's starting to download. So once it's downloaded, then you'll be ready to install it. Okay, so it finished installing. And there it is. That's all there is to installing it. So if you go to start and on the search engine type PowerToys, you'll see this icon here. So what I'll always do is I like to pin it to my toolbar. So if you right click, so mine's already there, so let me unpin it. So if you go here, just click on pin to toolbar, and then you'll see it appear down here. Okay, so now to launch it, all you have to do is click here, and now you have PowerTools. The next thing I like to do, so mine already says you're up to date. Yours might not. So what you want to do is go to General, under the version and updates, just click on updates. You see mine says it's already updated. So on the left hand side, so if you go in the first, you'll be here, right? If you click on System Tools, these are some of your tools, and then if you click here, it's going to expand some more and so forth. See, as I click here, It keeps on expanding different tools. Okay, so let me show you how to work this. So if you click here, it's gonna tell you what this tool does, and it's gonna give you the quick shortcut. So I would go through all of them and see what you like. So the ones that are actually, I like them all, and if you watch all my videos, you'll see me demonstrating all of them. But so under awake, so each one of them have to be on. So let's go to advanced paste. See, that's on. Color picker is on, it's enabled. So I think the reason mine are already enabled is because I had already installed it, and I uninstalled it for y'all. So that's why you see, like for instance, this one is it's not on, so I'm going to turn it on, and let's double check. All this other stuff is so these are the kinds of color pickers that you can use that will give you the color if you select one. So right now you have hex, RGB, and hue, saturation, illumination, right? So now one other one, like if you're a Photoshop user, you might want to turn CMYK, and later on I'm going to explain what all this is. So we just keep on running. So PowerToys Run is on. Okay, let me see results. I don't need that. Screen ruler, I'm going to explain that. I love this, so I enable that. Shortcut guide, I enable. Text extractor, definitely, man, this is one of my best ones, and I hope you watch that video because I love this thing. ZoomIt is on, that's on, and remember, so you go up and down this thing and it gives you the commands. So I know about, I think I know about 1,000 commands, because look down here at the bottom. You see, look down here. I use every single one of those programs. Okay, so FancyZone, I'll explain it. I might use it later. Workspace, that's pretty cool. Okay, keyboard manager, I have turned on. Mouse utilities, I definitely like this one. So mouse without borders, I haven't used that too much, and I hadn't even enabled it. And then quick accent, I got that turned off. So when you go to file management, I have this enabled. Okay, file locksmith, I haven't used that too much. Image Resizer, that's the first one I'm going to talk about, because I deal with big files. I mean, when I go to an inspection, my files are 2 gigabyte. I can take it down to 100K, 250K, or even, let's say, just take it down to 10K so that I can email it to somebody, or it's not 8 megabytes, so I can mail it to somebody. And then so the file explorer, let me see, this is some new stuff. Peak, I haven't used it, to be honest with you. PowerRename, I love it. Anyway, guys, so this is something that if you use a computer like I do, this is the best thing that I've ever seen. Last week I actually did away with 3 of my apps that I use, this is going to take over a bunch of my apps. One of them I paid $34, one I paid $18 a month, one I paid $54. This does it all, and it's free. If you don't have a Microsoft account, you can create a free Microsoft account. So this is definitely something you want to get.